How you doing, guys? We're here in Pokhara, Nepal. Now most people come to Nepal for trekking, but I got food poisoning the first day and I'm not much of a trekker, so we're going to cheat today. So I'm taking this shortcut. Right, just on the shop for now, ready to take off. Here we go. Base camp. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Just took the helicopter up to the Himalayas. You really feel the altitude. And I believe the mountain we're at, I think it's Annapurna it's called. Probably pronouncing that wrong. Is 8,000 meters. 10th highest mountain in the world. After all, this is the same range as Mount Everest. But wow, it really is beautiful up here. Traditional Nepalese food and drink, and look at that view.
Lightning! Monsoon is here.
Morning in Kathmandu.
Well, it's actually
So I'm here in Darbar Square in Kathmandu, and these are like the historical centres here. And Kathmandu is split up into basically three kingdoms when a king split the city among his three sons. And you have Kathmandu proper, Tamil, this is the Tamil area, Patan, and don't ask me to pronounce the third place, I think it's called Bongatur or something. But each place is kind of similar and fascinating. The architecture is not like anything I've ever seen in the world before.
And they're like looking at a passport like
Right, so I'm here in Kathmandu, Nepal. It's my last day in Nepal. Great week. I highly recommend Nepal. This place is crazy, Kathmandu. I mean, it's got a bit of everything. You got tons of culture, you know, cool city life. Then you go to Pokhara, second city. You got lakes, mountains, Himalayas. It's got something for everybody. Really underdeveloped, Nepal. You know, I didn't see a highway or what I would call a boulevard or main road. It's just all a maze of streets of traffic and moped of people everywhere. You know, you got mud roads, everything's in shit. It takes you ages to get everywhere. It's madness. I think it's like 144 out of 188 the Human Development Index, so it's pretty poor. But tons and tons of culture, tons to see. People are absolutely lovely, really, really accommodating everywhere you go. All the hotels and all, so nice, so nice. It's mainly a Hindu country, but a lot of Buddhist influence, obviously, with Tibet nearby. It's my first Hindu country, and I found it so interesting. Look at all these prayer flags going on here. Buddhist prayer flags. Apparently, there's 5 different colours that represent the 5 elements. So, had a smoke in the morning, walk around, and I quite liked it. The atmosphere under the rain, the old buildings. It really had a nice mood to it. There was something spiritual about it, actually. Saw people worshipping all these gods. Apparently, like, there's millions of gods in Hinduism. The name was being like Shiva, Brahman and Vishnu. Brahman is the main god. He's like the creator, but he isn't much worshipped in this part. The main gods here are Shiva and Vishnu. Shiva being the destroyer and reproducer, and Vishnu being the preserver. And the whole iconography and history of Hinduism is really, really fascinating me. I'd want to go back. Anyway, that's all I have to say for now. So, peace out.